In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move pages around your navigation in Squarespace. If you're familiar with Squarespace, you probably know that it prides itself on simplicity and design flexibility, and a key aspect of this is its drag and drop functionality. This feature extends seamlessly into managing your website's navigation, making it quite intuitive to reorganize your content just the way you want it. When you open up your Squarespace site, you'll find yourself in the Pages section. Here, you can see all the pages that comprise your website, organized within the website's main structure. Moving pages around in this section is extremely straightforward, thanks to Squarespace's user-friendly interface. This simplicity is a big plus, especially if you're someone who isn't very tech-savvy and wants to focus more on content rather than coding. To rearrange pages, all you need to do is click on the page you want to move. Hold it down and drag it up or down within the list. The position of the page influences where it appears in your website's navigation. If you want it higher up, drag it towards the top. If you'd prefer it to be further down, you'll move it lower in the list. Once you hover over the desired spot, simply drop it there. It's as easy as that. Now, let's explore a bit further. Not only can you move pages up and down within the main navigation, but you also have options regarding where these pages can reside. Squarespace provides different areas in its interface: the main navigation section and the not linked section. Pages in the navigation section will appear as part of your site's main menu, while those in the not linked section do not appear in the main navigation bar. This is perfect for pages you want to remain somewhat hidden, like thank you pages or ones you only want accessed via specific links. Moreover, if you're looking to tidy things up or create subcategories, you can drag pages into a drop-down menu. By doing this, you can organize a group of pages under one main header, making it easier for your site visitors to navigate and find information without overwhelming them with too many options at once. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and drags, you have full control over your site's navigation layout. Understanding how to effectively organize your pages can greatly enhance the user experience on your website, allowing visitors to find exactly what they are looking for quickly and easily. Thanks to Squarespace's intuitive design, you can adjust and fine-tune your navigation whenever you feel it's necessary, without any hassle. Get started today and give your site the clean and organized navigation that your content deserves.